Holy cow, what's this for? Hi, I'm James, and I'm here in the UNT Metalsmithing and Jewelry Studios, and this video is going to just go over the basics of a drill press. Many of them are similar, so even if you don't have this drill press, I think it could be useful and applied to you. First things first, safety. So make sure that you have proper eye protection and anything dangling tied back. So hair, jewelry, clothing, anything like that, make sure that's not going to get caught up because it's a machine that rotates. And I'm going to be drilling a hole inside of the anvil on here to then saw and pierce it out later. So I have already center punched where I want the hole to go, and I have a general idea of the size of the drill bit that I'm going to use. If you're not sure, if you need to check, there is a drill bit gauge. So then you can check if you needed to drill a hole the same size as wire or something like that. You can check through here, and that will correspond to the numbered drill bit indexes, where you can choose whatever size drill bit is that you need. So we'll just grab one. Many 3-jaw chucks work pretty much the same way, where you have a chuck key, and that's going to move the jaws that's going to hold your bit. So you want to make sure that it is centered between those 3 jaws and held tightly so it's not going to rub around. I usually give it a little go by hand to make sure that it's centered. I always have kind of a scrap piece of wood underneath it to make sure that you're not going to drill into the table of the drill press. And you're pretty much ready to go. You can adjust the height of this depending on how thick material you're drilling in and the size of the drill bit and everything like that. And we're ready to go. If you're drilling a smaller piece of metal or you don't trust the grip strength of your hand, you can certainly use pliers. I prefer to use parallel jaw pliers because they grip the metal really well and also tend to not mar it as much as other types of pliers. But this is a larger piece, so I'm just going to hold it. I've lined it up with where I'm going to drill. Kind of the most obvious but important thing is to turn the drill press on before you try and drill your hole. Turn it on, lower slowly, all the way through it. Turn it off, and you have successfully drilled a hole, so that's pretty much all there is to it.
If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can hear from me when I post future videos. Thanks for stopping by.